How to make Freelancer website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So just type Freelancer and click next. What do you want to do with your website? So you need to choose main purposes of your website. What do you want to do? Maybe you want to sell products or sell services. You need to choose by yourself here. Maybe you want to promote an event or project, whatever you want. I'm gonna choose sell services. Maybe publish a blog or other media. Collect donations, showcase work, and that's all. Next, how would you like to start building your website? So here guys you have two options. You can browse templates or you can build a website with AI. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI, so I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. That's why I'll pick this one. And here guys on this page you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. You can also choose type of website here. You can, for example, if you don't want to have your portfolio, you can unselect it, or maybe you want to have a one-page website, so you need to choose this one. Maybe you don't want to get donations, so you need to unselect this one. By the way, if you don't like any of those templates, don't worry, you can fully rework any of these templates. You can delete something if you don't want to see it. So I'm gonna show it later, but just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one. No, this one. Here we can change sample color presets, for example, but later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate. Here you can see only 12 options of colors, not a big amount. So start with this design. And now we need to create site name. For example, I'm gonna name it Let Freelancer. Some tips, we don't need them. And yes, as you can see, a woodworking studio for honing your craft. For example, your freelance is that you are woodworking something, but you can easily change it. Click on edit, and for example you can double click on this text and delete this text and write whatever you want. Write about your exact freelance. I don't know, maybe you are a lawyer freelancer. Just type I don't know, maybe my law practice, I don't know, whatever. You can do it bigger like this. You can change the size, you can change the placement. like this. You can easily change this address, double click on this text, select this text, delete it, write your address, contact us. Of course, if you are a lawyer, this background need to change it like this. Replace image. Once again, click on section, edit section, background, replace. You can upload your own file or you can browse stock images, free images by Squarespace, and you can search, for example, lawyer. Maybe this one, edit. Not the best one, but I think you got me. Just for an example, how to do it. You can add a section like this. You can have a maybe contact section. Let's work together. You can delete this and this because it's not the best match, you know. And I think this section need to be upper and contact section need to be lower. Just click this, move down or move up and change them. Of course you can edit this section. You can add a background because it looks really empty. And once again, I already showed you how to add a background or replace it, or you can just add a color for this section, for example blue one. You can also add a blank section like this, and I'm gonna show you how to add some stuff on your section. You need to add a block here. You can add text, image, video, audio, button, form, whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna add a text and image and button. Okay, the most popular ones. I already showed you how to write text, so add an image. The same way you can upload it from your computer or you can use a free one. Also you can edit button, click on this edit button to edit your button. You can change the text, for example, work. You can write whatever you want here, basically. Work with me. And you can link your button to maybe another website or to maybe a file, email, phone number, whatever you want. And you need to save changes as frequently as possible just to not lose your progress. And also I'm gonna show you how to manage some stuff about your website in this menu. For example, pages. You can add new pages here. We only have one page because I chose one page when we was choosing templates, as you remember. So you can easily add new page, blank, scheduling, blog, store, portfolio maybe. You can edit portfolio page like this. Here it is. You can delete page if you want, like this button, delete. Also you can change styles here. You can change themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. As I told you, you can change color more accurate. You can change any color here to any color. You can use ready-made themes, for example this one. All of them are really nice, as you can see. Also here you can manage products, invoicing, content and membership, donation, scheduling. Also you can have analytics page here, very interesting one. I think this page is kinda essential because you can check all the data about traffic, amount of visits, amount of unique visitors, page views, bounce rate, even the geography of your visitors. Very interesting one. I think every site owner should use this one, even must use this one. And when you're done editing your website, you need to publish it maybe. So to be able to publish your website so anyone can see it, you need to subscribe. You need to select a plan. You can see simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. If you're planning to sell something on your website, I really recommend you choose basic or advanced one. If you don't, you can choose business, only $23 per month, most popular one. Here you can see advantages of every plan. And when you're done subscribing, instead of this button, you'll have a publish button, also blue one. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And I hope you liked this video. I think I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. So subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.